force me to pick just one supplement for men to help with their erection, ejaculation, libido, testicular health, prostate health, and their general health, and I would pick magnesium. Why? When it comes to male sexual health, two very important factors are stress and sleep, and magnesium comfortably handles those two. Magnesium is one of the most important minerals, chemicals in the body. Over 300 biochemical reactions and processes in the human body are mediated by magnesium, and a good number of them are sexually related. Testosterone and hormone production. So if it's not there, those reactions may not work or may not work properly. And of course, you can get your magnesium from food, but a large percentage of men, in fact up to 70% in some populations, are magnesium deficient. No wonder they're having all the sexual symptoms and sexual problems. And why? 3 reasons. They are not eating enough magnesium from food, they are losing a lot of magnesium, or they have problem absorbing the magnesium they eat. People are not eating enough of magnesium. Of course, you can get magnesium from leafy greens, nuts, seeds, whole grains, but taking processed foods that are not natural indirectly reduces the amount of magnesium people eat. And apart from that, even if they eat it, they have problem absorbing it into their blood, into their body, due to age, stress, excessive alcohol consumption, and problem with their gut due to poor diet. Or they might be eating it, absorbing it, but they are losing too much magnesium due to stress, causing the kidneys to excrete a lot of magnesium. People losing a lot of magnesium due to medications like BP drugs, some antibiotics, some medicine for ulcers, excessive alcohol, excessive sweating, excessive sugar intake. So you see why a large percentage of men have low magnesium and why a large percentage of men having low testosterone and all the sexual symptoms. And if you're not sure, you could simply go to the lab and do your magnesium blood test. You'll be shocked how a large percentage of people have low blood magnesium. And that's why over the past 10 years of working with men, I encourage a lot of men to have daily dose of magnesium, especially magnesium glycinate. I prefer that and I recommend that. Why? It is easy on your stomach, so all the stomach upset or indigestions are not as common as in other forms of magnesium. It has high bioavailability, meaning that it is easy for the body to absorb, and the body uses most of the magnesium with little wastage compared to other forms of magnesium. And magnesium is powerful. It reduces cortisol. This promotes relaxation, decreases stress, reduces anxiety, and helps with your sleep. It lowers your blood pressure because it causes vasodilation, and again, invariably vasodilation there helps with your erection. It improves insulin sensitivity, and we know this is very important for reduction of body fat and a lot of other factors important for your sexual health. It has anti-inflammatory properties, and I don't want to go into that. Just powerful. It helps to boost your testosterone. How? It reduces cortisol, and anything that reduces cortisol indirectly helps with your testosterone. It decreases SHBG binding, so a lot of your testosterone are free to act. It increases your free testosterone. So how do we take it? Of course, you can start from 100 milligram daily to 200 milligram, but if you really want to take this as a man to help with your testosterone and other sexual functions, I would advise you target 400 milligrams daily. It comes in different forms, tablets, in powder. Just make sure you are taking the adequate amount. I prefer you take it at bedtime because it helps with your sleep and relaxation. Of course, there are other supplements that will help to improve the work of magnesium, like zinc and vitamin D3. So in case you have them, make sure you take them in the early parts of the day. Talk to your doctor first before taking magnesium. This could interact with other drugs you are taking, like antibiotics or BP drugs. You remember we said it can lower your BP. So imagine you are taking blood pressure drugs for hypertension and you are taking this, it could over lower your BP and cause some problems. So talk with your doctor so that your doctor can know how to adjust your BP drugs alongside this. There are many supplements that don't work. This is one that works. Get to a very good pharmacy, any big pharmacy around. The brand doesn't matter. Just make sure it's magnesium glycinate and it's 400 milligrams. Try it tonight and thank me tomorrow morning. And click here to see 3 supplements that actually work. A lot of supplements in the market are just a waste of your money, but these 3 supplements actually work. Stay strong, take charge of your health and happiness, and I'll see you in the next one.